Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today's video is gonna be a Nykaa haul. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So I have this, oh my god, huge डब्बा with me full of products. अब मैं देख रही हूँ तो मुझे लग रहा है बस इतना ही है. I felt like okay और ज़्यादा है because the amount I paid and the boxes, oh my god, that's a lot. First thing, I got this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Serum for all hair types. I swear by L'Oreal products for my hair. मैं सीरम इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, but these days my hair was getting so frizzy, so I bought this hair serum. Yeah. So next up I got this Tangle teaser. थोड़ा उल्टा है. Best thing ever. पहले मुझे लग रहा था कि 1400, I think 1400. This is for 1250. ओके पहले मुझे लग रहा था 1250 इज अ लॉट फॉर अ हेयर ब्रश. आई नो कि जो ब्रिसल्स हैं इट्स नॉट लाइक स्टिफ जो नॉर्मल कोम्स के होते हैं. आई डोंट नो इट्स दिस शेप और व्हाट, बट इट वर्क्स एंड आई फील सो गुड कि मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं लिया. आई नो इट्स अ बिट एक्सपेंसिव, but I feel like we spend a lot of money on makeup but don't buy a good hair brush जो कि actually आपके बालों को अपने सर पे रहने देगा. So I feel like a little bit investment in your hair, it's okay. So next up I got a lipstick from Wet n Wild. This is a restock. I freaking love the lipstick. This is in the shade Give Me Mocha. It kind of broke because इसको अपने कार्डोर में रखा था और मैंने कार्डोर ऐसे खोला और वो गिर गया and it broke. Sad क्योंकि ये पूरी full bottle and it's a new packed one. But anyway, I love this shade. I actually buy a lot of Estee, Max and Dior and whatnot, but I end up using this one only. This is very cheap, yeah. This is for 499. कुछ offer था. I don't remember exactly. This is actually a good MLBB shade. If your skin tone is like me or you're in the shade NC42 or 43 in MAC, I would really suggest you go ahead and buy this. And I got this lipstick from this range only. This is Behind the Bleachers and I will actually swatch it for you guys. This is Behind the Bleachers and this one is Give Me Mocha. So moving on, I got this Nykaa Get Inked eyeliner. Sorry मैं दिखा नहीं पाऊंगी because I don't know where it is और ये खाली box है. So yeah, I got this. क्या बताऊँ उसके बारे में, it's just a restock. खत्म हो गया था. Then I got some face razors. I really don't like these. मैंने खोल के भी नहीं देखा actually कैसे दिखते हैं. Okay, they are. Oh my god, it is broken. इसीलिए कब जब भी आप लेके आए तो हमेशा चेक कर लेना चाहिए. But this is Bronson's Professional Eyebrow and Face Razors pack of 3. मुझे actually मैंने एक बार मिनीसो से लिया था and थोड़े एक्सपेंसिव थे वो, बट एक्चुअली इट वाज गुड क्वालिटी. तो अब वो मुझे दोबारा कहीं मिल नहीं रहा, सो आई हैव टू यूज दीज. एंड अगर आपको मिनीसो के फेस रेजर्स मिल रहे हैं तो गो अहेड एंड बाय दैट वन बिकॉज वो ज़्यादा बेटर है. सो नेक्स्ट अप आई गॉट सम स्टफ फ्रॉम Bath and Body Works. उसमें कुछ ऑफर था कि buy 2 get 2. So I got some candles for the first time ever from them. I love people smelling good. I love my environment, my living area to smell good. I'm a hoe for candles. I buy my candles from West Side stores. They have really nice candles. I really like the number 3 and number 1. These are my favorite. But it's just get repetitive. उसमें कुछ नया नहीं आ रहा. So I got these. So the first candle I got is this. It is the gingham made with essential oils and it smells, to be very honest, बहुत खास नहीं है but ठीक है. Next candle I got, this one is 3-wick candle. वो 1-wick की थी. White gardenia scented candle. This is actually smells like garden of a lot of roses. I'm not a big fan of roses, but it smells fresh. Next up I got this body spray. Then from the same range I got this body butter, body something lotion, saltwater breeze shea and vitamin E body lotion. मैंने दोनों सेम इसलिए लिया because I feel like if you use the same body lotion and same spray then the perfume will last longer. पता नहीं, my brain works like that. And on the third day of sale, जो उसका Bath and Body Works पे offer था वो change हो गया. I think it was for like 40% or 30% या 50%, I don't remember clearly. Offer था, so I got this Japanese Cherry Blossom. Oh my god, I can't speak. Japanese Cherry Blossom body spray. To be very honest, I don't know why this smells like vodka to me. Not like intense vodka, like थोड़ा सा कुछ उसमें dilute कर दे water वगैरह. I don't know. I'm not a big fan, but looks pretty. Wasted my money successfully. I got this छोटू सा sanitizer. It's got one because color बहुत प्यारा लग रहा था. It says beautiful day. Nothing very exciting. Next up, I need to check my phone कि मैंने क्या लिया. Next up is something from Dior. I went to Sephora weeks ago with my sister and I was looking for a nude lipstick from Dior. She said, why are you buying from Sephora? Dior just launched on Nykaa. You will get it on offer. So I thought, yeah, better option, but उस पे कुछ offer नहीं मिला मुझे Nykaa पे भी. So anyway, I got it because I wanted to get this lipstick. It is the Rouge Hot something that I can't read. This is how the packaging looks like. I'm not a big fan. And this is the beautiful lipstick. I'm gonna swatch it for you. This is kind of similar to the Wet n Wild one behind the bleachers. This one is the Dior one. बस मुझे difference यही लग रहा है कि ये matte नहीं है, बाकी shade is काफी similar. Wow. And I got a perfume sample. So next up, what I got? Oh, I got something from Dot & Key. Internet was going gaga over the chemical exfoliation, so I went ahead and bought this. Is the Dot & Key Skincare Hydro Peel Glow Potion 10% AHA 2% BHA exfoliating serum. And this is how the packaging is so cute. It is magnetic. How cool is that? काफी सुंदर लैवेंडर कलर. और हाँ, इस पे मुझे 15% ऑफ मिला था, just to let you know. Then and I got Dot & Key hand cream sanitizer and moisturizer. But I don't understand, इसमें लिखा है alcohol free formula. Sanitizers are majorly based on alcohol, so I don't understand कि ये sanitizer कैसे है. This is how the hand cream looks like. And I got another one. One is the lavender and peppermint. I got a foundation, and this is from Givenchy. It says 24-hour wear and comfort with SPF 20 and P- PA++. I don't know what it is, but yeah, this is the foundation. And oh my god, I feel so proud कि मैंने physically नहीं देखा था, but I got the exact shade. I feel so good because this is very expensive. अगर गलत shade आ जाता, I would feel so bad. I am in this shade by 315. Got a free lipstick. Who doesn't like a free lipstick? Givenchy Genuine Leather Intense Color something matte lip color. मैंने इसको swatch नहीं किया, मैंने देखा भी नहीं. Ooh, I really like the bullet. So this is how the lipstick look like. Sorry for my nails. It is ugly, I know. So, ooh, I really like the packaging. Smells weird. This is how the bullet looks like. काफी सुंदर. Oh, I don't want to use it, but I have to swatch it. Okay. काफी purplish shade है. Says it is matte, but it is not matte. So here is the shade. कैमरा पे काफी pink लग रहा है, but it is not pink. काफी purplish pink है, and it is definitely not matte. I feel like this shade would look so good on my mother. Yeah, she's very fair, so I think it will look good on her. Okay. Oh, I forgot, totally forgot. I got this ENN Natural Magnetic Lashes. Yes, I wear magnetic lashes. I got a hang of it. Oh my god, I really like it. This natural one. Got these. Next up, I got sheet mask, because who doesn't like sheet mask? To be very honest, I feel like sheet mask doesn't do anything to your skin. but it feels good and I feel like in winters, या हाँ बस ये आपकी स्किन को काफ़ी हाइड्रेट कर देते हैं, but not for a longer period of time. I feel like it lasts for like 1 day or so and not more than that. जो इतने variants है उसमें भी कोई फ़र्क नहीं है. I don't know, it's just my personal opinion. Don't come at me, and if you're serious sheet mask fan, I'm so sorry, but this is just my opinion. These are from Face Shop, by the way. I got the avocado, rice, lemon, tea tree, lotus and blueberry. I have some product from the Face Shop site. मैंने उसको site से लिया था, not from Nykaa, so I'm gonna quickly include that also. I got the rice ceramide moisturizing emulsion. If you watched my last Nykaa haul, I got the toner from this range and I freaking love it so much. Definitely gonna repurchase that one. काफी cute packaging है. Speaking the truth, I got this only because of the packaging. I really like it. मुझे hand cream की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी, but it is so cute. Rice Water Bright Light Cleansing Oil free with these two. I got this gourmet hot chocolate premix by Shivesh Bhatia. I bake a lot of stuff and I follow his recipe a lot, so I got this free with this order. Next up, oh my god, Becca launched in India. This is story time for you guys. Okay, I got this में primer है, a liquid highlighter, and there's a lipstick. Okay, so I have only one highlighter that I use all the time, and इसके साथ मुझे free मिला. क्या मिला? This is what, Becca something, I think this is a powder, loose powder, I think, I don't know. And I will get the Champagne Pop mini version free with it. So I was very happy with the purchase because सब कुछ काफ़ी अच्छी क्वांटिटी में था और आई लाइक मिनियर वर्जन बिकॉज फुल वर्जन कभी जल्दी से ख़त्म नहीं होते. बैकलाइट प्राइमिंग फिल्टर, लिक्विड हाइलाइटर, लुक्स वेरी नाइस. काफ़ी मॉविश न्यूड कलर है. ओह, आई डोंट थिंक इट, ओह शिट, आई थॉट कि ये ट्यूब है, मैंने इसको ट्विस्ट कर दिया. दिस इज द शेड लुक्स लाइक. मुझे नहीं लगता ये मुझ पे अच्छा लगने वाला है, एंड दिस इज नॉट अ मैट शेड अगेन. माई सैड स्टोरी बिगेन. ये इसके साथ जो आया था वो एक्चुअली इट वॉज ब्रोकन. नायका ने अपना जो नंबर था कस्टमर केयर वाला वो हटा दिया है, एंड नाउ यू कैन ओनली मेल देम or like chat through the app. Initially they said they will give me 200 rupee refund, which is ridiculous. No, I don't want a 200 rupee refund. Mini Champagne Pop 1500 rupees का sell कर रहे हो on app, and you are giving me 200 rupee refund. Doesn't make any sense to me. So I wrote them back again, so they gave me a replacement. पता नहीं क्यों इन पैकेजिंग सही नहीं है, क्योंकि वो बॉक्स में नहीं है, तो the replacement I got, it is also broken. At the end I have 2 Champagne Pop highlighters, but I have nothing in it. So there's only last product to show you guys, and this one is very exciting. I saved best for last. So next up is super expensive product. I'm not going to justify the price here. I know it's very expensive for what it's worth, but it's just like I feel like it's an investment for your hair, and I have long hair. I have like 4.5 feet hair, and sisters also have very long hair. I'm not gonna keep this product for only myself. My sister is gonna use all. ठीक है. Anyway, I don't know how to like, oh my god, what have done. Lipsticks are not transproof, guys, so good to know. The Dyson Airwrap Volume Plus Shape. If you're a girl, I know you know about Dyson. I regret not buying the complete set because उसके साथ ना I was getting a deal बहुत अच्छी. I got these 2 barrels, 40 mm barrels. What I thought initially कि full set में 4 barrels होते हैं और there's 2 straightener brush. So we all have काफी straight hair, so we don't need 2 straighteners. So I got this one and I thought I still have the complete set. But फिर बाद में मैंने compare किया, जो complete set का barrels है वो काफी thicker है, so you will get thick curls. अब जो है वो है. So this is how the barrel looks like. let me show you the main product. Oh my god, this is heavy. I cannot open. So there's some leaflet, a hair dryer, a roller brush and a straightener brush and 2 barrels. Full review तो मैं ऐसे नहीं बता सकती because I haven't used it properly, but follow me on Instagram and stay tuned for the review. I actually DM'd them on Instagram just to know कि मैं क्या ये मेरे hair length पे work करेगा, but they actually stopped replying after I told them कि मेरे इतने हैं. I don't know why. Before that they were talking very nicely and but उसके बाद उन लोग ने reply नहीं किया. Also Dyson equipments are very expensive, I know, but they are very good quality. I have the वो vacuum cleaner. I got it in the lockdown only. It is so good you guys. Oh my god. The only problem उसमें है कि वो ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं चलता है, उनका चार्जिंग बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है. But anyway, I will let you know about this one on my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram and I will let you know. And yeah, I think that is it. Yeah, that's it. Also, I'm thinking to make a part 2 because my sister is also shopped from Nykaa. This is the stuff that I got, so might as well film that also. Let me know if do you want a part 2. I can do it. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'm super duper active there, and comment down below what you want to see next. Turn on the post notifications so that you will get notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.